Have you ever wondered why some planets have rings while others don't? Today on Astrocurious, we're diving into the fascinating world of planetary rings. Let's explore the mysteries and science behind these stunning cosmic features. First off, let's talk about what these rings are made of. Planetary rings are composed of countless small particles, ranging from tiny dust grains to large chunks of ice and rock. These particles orbit their host planet in a flat, disc-like formation. The known planetary rings in our solar system belongs to Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. So how did these rings form? There are a few theories. One idea is that rings are made from the remnants of moons that were shattered by collisions or torn apart by the planet's strong gravitational pull. This process, known as tidal disruption, happens when a moon ventures too close to its planet and the planet's gravity rips it apart. Another theory suggests that rings could be made of leftover material from the planet's formation. This material, unable to coalesce into a moon due to the planet's gravity, remains in orbit as a ring. These particles are kept in place by the planet's gravitational forces and the influence of nearby moons, known as shepherd moons, which help to maintain the ring structure. Saturn's rings are the most spectacular and complex. They are divided into 7 main rings, labeled A through G, with the A and B rings being the brightest and most prominent. The rings are incredibly thin, often less than a kilometer thick, yet they span up to 282,000 kilometers from the planet. The particles in Saturn's rings are primarily composed of water ice, giving them a bright, reflective appearance. In contrast, the rings of Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune are much fainter and darker. Jupiter's rings are primarily made of dust particles ejected from its moons by meteoroid impacts. Uranus's rings are composed of larger, darker particles, possibly remnants of a moon disrupted by a collision. Neptune's rings are also dark and contain a lot of dust, with some sections appearing clumped together into arcs. But why do only some planets have rings? It largely depends on the planet's size, composition, and distance from the Sun. Larger gas giants have strong gravitational fields capable of capturing and maintaining ring systems. In contrast, smaller planets like Earth or Mars don't have the necessary gravitational pull to sustain rings over long periods. Interestingly, scientists believe that planetary rings are not permanent. Over time, ring particles can be pulled into the planet or ejected into space, leading to the gradual disappearance of the rings. This means that we are fortunate to be living in a time when we can witness these magnificent structures. With the expansion of the space research's understanding the dynamics of planetary rings, it's just a matter of time, and can help us better grasp the complexity and beauty of our solar system. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the incredible story behind the rings of our solar system's giant planets. Stay curious and follow us for more space facts.